Legal disclaimer: do not make this trade. Seriously, don't. This video is for educational purposes only and placed by a professional trader from Maverick Trading. Maverick Trading is sponsoring this trading experiment with a $100,000 trading account. To trade for Maverick Trading, you can submit an application for stock, option trader or currency trader from the link in the video description below.
Welcome to trade number 32. Hey, Flat Earth Trading Society members, this is Rob Reinhold. And what in the world are we doing here? Well, you know the deal. We're doing crazy stuff, choosing crazy stocks with crazy methods. Basically, we're trying to make it random to see if we can make money off of just position management alone. So, what are we going to do this week for trade number 32? I've been thinking, we haven't done this for a while. I wanted to do a mix of trades. We've done some currency trades, we've done some stock trades, but we haven't done any trades about the metals. So today is all about the metals. I thought about getting some metals here and picking them out of a hat, but I'm too lazy and most of them are in a safety deposit box anyway, so we're going to use our trusty wheel. Here I am again with our trusty wheel from Wheel of Names, and I've got gold, silver, copper, lithium, platinum, coal, uranium, and nickel. Now look, we could trade the spot metals. We could trade the metal futures. This is where it gets a little bit difficult when we're trading in the metals, is there's lots of different ways to trade them. And based on how your account is set up, you may not be able to trade the platinum futures, or you may not be able to trade in the spot market in gold. Here's the great thing. They now have ETFs for everything, so it's going to be very, very simple for us to play these through a stock ETF. So what we're going to do is we're going to spin the wheel. Whatever metal we get, we're going to look up the most highly traded ETF of that metal, and that is the trade that we're going to make. So without further ado, let's spin the wheel. So there you have it. We are going to trade silver. Now look, I kind of wanted to get something a little bit more exciting. You know, gold and silver, they're pretty standard, but these other ones can be pretty exciting. But we must do what the wheel says. So we are going to be trading silver. I already know the ETF for this is SLV, but on all the others, I would simply go in and put in, you know, what is the biggest silver ETF? And again, the iShares Silver ETF, which again, we can click on here and you can see, okay, go down. Well, anyway, look, you read it all. It's SLV is the symbol for the largest silver ETF. So let's go check it out on a chart. SLV is the symbol, iShares. And we're going to do a daily chart. Let's make sure we got our flat earth indicators up. That is the 13 EMA and the ATR at 14. Ooh. Again, I really like it when they're clear and definitive. And I think we have to say that this one, it might not be definitive, but it absolutely is sloping lower. So we are going to have to take this one. This will be a short on SLV. The current price is $20.72. And the current ATR is 41.5, so we're just going to run that down to 41. So 20.72 and 41 for the trade. For trade 32, it is November 7th. The ticker symbol is SLV, Silver ETF. We are short at 20.72. The ATR was 41 cents, so we're going to have a trailing stop 82 cents above our entry price, which gives us our first stop at 21.54. We still need to go figure out our position sizing, so let's do that right now. First thing we need to do is check our account balance. So our account balance currently right now is $98,594. 98,594. Let's go put that in a calculator. So 98,594 is our account balance. 1% of risk. The entry on this was 2072. The stop was 21.54, 2x ATR. Just go ahead and make these 0, 0, and hit calculate. And it says go ahead and be short 1,203 shares. Let's go put that trade in right now. Put in SLV. We are going to sell. Position size is 1,203. And we're going to use a limit price. We're going to put a little bit under the bid because I want to be able to attach an order to it. I'm going to attach a stop loss order. It's going to be a trailing stop. And our 2x trailing stop is going to be 82 cents. 82 cents. Go ahead and hit submit. And that trade is in the books here. Let's check out what our fill price was. Our fill price is $20.72. 2072.5. So let's round that up to 2073. Let's close this out. The entry ended up being $20.73. We've got our initial stop, and we've got our two targets, 2x target, 4x target. What do we do when it gets there? When we get to 2x ATR profit, we adjust to 1.5 ATR. When we get to 4 ATR, we adjust to 1, and that's it. We don't do anything else. We sit there, watch. That is Trade 32. Thanks for joining me. Goodbye, everybody.